Welcome to Code with Vinod. Today we are going to learn how we can deploy our Python or Django project on production server using GitLab. So here we are using three important things. First one is PyCharm IDE, second one is GitLab, and third one is Linux server. So here first we will create our Python project on PyCharm IDE. After then we will deploy our project on Linux server using GitLab CICD process. So to perform this task, here we will use some important steps which are listed here. So in first step we will create a GitLab account to publish our project on GitLab. Second one, we will configure our GitLab runner on production server. So here our production server is Linux server. And in third step we will create a project on GitLab account, and in fourth step we will create our Python project using PyCharm IDE, and in fifth step we will publish our project on GitLab account. So let's get started. Firstly I will go on browser and will learn how we will create our GitLab account. So firstly let me go on gitlab.com. So here let me sign in first. So here I'm already having my account on GitLab, but if you don't have GitLab account, so you need to register by clicking on this URL. So here you can simply fill your information and can create your account on GitLab. So in my case I have, or I'm already having my account on GitLab. So let me sign in with my credential. So here let me show you how we will perform the things over GitLab account. So here are my already created project which are listed here. So firstly let me go on my this project, my test lab 1. So here we can see our project is placed on my test lab project, and my project is running on this IP address, which is my server IP address. So let me make some changes and will show you some demo to get understand what we are going to do. So let me make some change here. So I have made some changes here. So let me push my website again on GitLab. here is some error. Okay, let me add again. So we'll try to push again our project. So it is showing everything is up to date. So let me make some changes again. So it may be some PyCharm issue. Let me add again. Okay, it is not showing changes. Okay, so actually we forgot to commit the changes. So git commit. So we'll try to push again. So we'll try to refresh our URL. It may take some time to get update. So please wait. So it is uploaded. And let me check on my GitLab account. Inside pipeline we can check our project processing. So here we can see our first stage is completed and our second stage is already in running condition. So let's wait for some time. Once it get completed, so changes should reflect on our website. So meanwhile we can learn how we can create new project. So we'll create on your projects by clicking on new project. We can choose any template to create new project. So here I am using create blank project. So let me try to create my demo2 project, and we can give any visibility level here, private or public. So here we can see our demo2 project is created. So here we will use some commands to publish our project on our GitLab project account. So here in our case we are going to push our project from PyCharm to GitLab. So to push our project we will use these commands. Let's say push an existing folder, push an existing repository. So we will push our project folder. So here we will use these commands. So I'm using my test lab project. So I'm not showing here to add new project. So here is some error. Let's check. So in deployment state we got some error. So this error may come many times while working with GitLab. So let's refresh this and let me try to open my Linux server using WinSCP. And putty, we will access CLI. Sorry. So here we will use putty to access our server. This is my private server. Username, then password. So now I have logged in. So I will show all the repository where my project is placed. And first of all we will troubleshoot our issue. So when you get issue like this, so you can refresh or you can re-register your GitLab runner. So let me show you my GitLab runner for this project. So GitLab runner is most important things in CI/CD process. So to deploy any project using GitLab on production server, we use GitLab runner. So here this is our GitLab runner, and this GitLab runner is configured on my Linux server. So this GitLab runner is configured here. So it is communicating with GitLab account and my production server. So let me show you how we can register our GitLab runner on production server. So let me first remove this server, this GitLab runner, sorry, and let me try to register our GitLab runner on Linux server. So first of all we will install GitLab runner. So let me go install GitLab runner. So on GitLab account documents you can check how we can install GitLab runner on any platform. So in our case we are using Linux server, and here we can see all commands to install the GitLab. Here are the commands as per server version. So we can use this command to install GitLab runner. After then we will give the permission to our GitLab runner. After then we will add user, and then we'll restart the GitLab runner. So I am also already have installed my GitLab runner on my account. So let me register our GitLab runner. So we will use sudo gitlab runner register. So it will ask the instant URL. So this is the instant URL, gitlab.com. So let me paste here, and now it will ask to enter registration token. So registration token is our GitLab token, so we can find the registration token from here. Let me copy this and paste here. So we can give any description here. Checking, we can keep blank. Shell I am using here. So we have registered our GitLab runner. So let me restart my GitLab runner. Sudo runner restart. So it will take some time to get restart. Meanwhile, we can refresh our account and check our GitLab runner status here. So it will take some time to get start. So once it gets start, this logo will turn in green color. So let me refresh again. And now we can see our GitLab runner is in running condition, and also we can check some information here. Let's say activate, pause the runner. These things we can control from here. So here IP address is this, which we are using in our existing project. So right now I'm not making any changes here. Let me save, and I will try again to upload our project on my account. And once we get upload the project on GitLab account, so we can check process inside pipeline here. And let me first show you what is the important things is running behind the complete to perform the complete process. So in our project, this is simple Django project, but here's one important thing which is related to GitLab is gitlab-ci.yml. So this is important file which is related to GitLab runner. So once we deploy our project on GitLab account, so GitLab runner automatically trigger this file. So here we have created two stages. First one is test 11 and second one is deploy. So test 11, in test 11 we are just printing some comments here, and in second stage we are deploying our project. So once our GitLab runner trigger this file, so it will read all the script. So firstly it will remove our existing project from our Linux server. Let me show you this repository on my Linux server. So test live is our existing project here. So first of all, it will remove all things from here, and secondly it will copy updated test live project on the same repository, and after then it will go on Ubuntu label and then will activate our virtual environment. After activating virtual environment, it will restart our supervisor. So supervisor is a different topic, so you can get the video related to supervisor in the description box. So let me try to upload our project again. So let me make some changes here. So let me commit first, git commit. My new change. So let me try to push the same on production server. So let me check the status of our pipeline here. So our first stage is in running condition. So it may take some time. And our new committed comment we can see here. So we can see our both stages have passed successfully. So let me try to refresh. So here we can see our changes is updated now, so we can match. This is my new website. A website is created by Vinod. So thanks for watching the video. So if you have any query, so please comment me your query in comment section. I will try to reply as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.